On the unstable SMP, the world's largest hardcore Minecraft server, players are in a constant struggle for survival. For every 100 players who join this server, only 10 will escape spawn alive. Of those 10 players, 5 will die from starvation, 2 will be killed by bandits, another 2 will die by natural causes, and by the end of the first week, only 1 will survive. But recently, for the first time in the history of the unstable SMP, these players elected a king who would finally bring peace and justice to the server. That king is me.